Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to apply for Amazon warehouse jobs in Germany. Trying to land an Amazon warehouse job in Germany might feel like searching for a needle in a haystack until you realize everything's actually organized in one place. What I usually do is go straight to the official Amazon jobs website and type in something like warehouse with Germany as the location. That instantly filters out everything irrelevant. Once the listing shows up, I scroll through and use the fillers on the side, things like city, distance, job type, or fulfillment center rows, to narrow it down to something realistic for me. It saves a lot of time instead of clicking random listings. After finding a role that fits, I open it, read through the requirements, and hit apply. From there, it's just filling out your details, uploading documents if needed, and following their steps. Quick tip: double check the location and shift details before applying, because some roles look similar but are actually in completely different cities. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.